Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. I just wanted to share this Michaels haul. My friend who isn't really a crafter but is kind of tiptoeing, I mean, she was in Michaels, she's going to be one of us pretty soon, I think, saw a pretty paper and bought me 3 12 by 12 48 sheet pads. I think what happened was the hot buys were on sale, like buy one get two or buy two get one, something like that, and she just couldn't resist. So I will show you these 3 pads, tell you which one was her favorite, which one is my favorite, and what my immediate plans are for them. The first one is Fall Orchard. This is all fall and it has gold in it. If you watch my channel, you know that I make cards, I make journals, I love mini albums, I like to make embellishments and do mixed media. So I do use a lot of different paper. I have a bird journal that I'm thinking about. Haven't actually started it, but I'm still gathering. I love the foils. I struggle a little bit with some of these really big ones, or the ones that have the pattern right in the middle. And I love small patterns like this because they're great for cards. So even if you buy 12 by 12, this is still a nice scale pattern for cards. Like this is a really hard page for me to use because if you fold it, if you use it for a journal cover, this is on the spine. I don't know, but I love it. See, more birds. This was my friend Denise's favorite. Hands down, she liked the fall one. See, this one, what am I gonna do with this one? I have to figure that out. This is not my favorite. I'll show you my favorite in a minute, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing with this. I like the fact that they have the same pattern in here in more than one color. That's really fun for me. And they're 6 by 6 cut aparts and more gold. So I like that. This is also from this pad. I just took it out already. There were a couple sheets with these images. I wouldn't use this the way it was, but I thought it was a great setup for ephemera. They have provided you in the hot buy price ephemera if you're willing to cut it. As part of my TV watching projects, I've been cutting and cutting. So it looks like I've cut a whole sheet up and I have these to work with. These would be great on cards or journal pages. I might take some of these tiny leaves and use them to make an ephemera cluster, maybe put it with some stamped images or things I have from other paper pads. I'm getting ready to make some fall cards for my Smash That Small Paper Pad collaboration, so maybe I'll use some of this in here. You don't have to use it with the paper it came with, but I just wanted to show you, and I just shoved it in a business size envelope, and that's my TV watching at night project. So I will also cut up the other one. This one is my favorite. Oh my gosh. Butterfly Collage is what it's called. This other one's called Fall Orchard. And this one has gold and purple and pink. Purple is harder to find in paper collections. It's just not very common. If you can bring in purple and gold, I'm super excited. I love the foiling when they add that into the paper collection for you. Look at this. There's also a lot of stuff in here that I would fussy cut. These pages are really nice for journals. You know, just a little bit of interest, and you don't have to do your own mixed media, or you could use it for a background layer on a card. This is gorgeous. I could fussy cut these all night long. Another lovely one. Really nice florals. If you wanted, you see people, if you make junk journals or cards, whatever, you see people who are buying ephemera packs. You could sit down and fussy cut these too. It's just a matter of how interested you are in it. These are probably a little fine for me to want to do that, but maybe some of them, I will definitely fussy cut some of these and layer them. And if you wanted to mix it up and add even more, you could add Wink of Stella or some clear embossing to them. Just take them and fancy them up like you bought. I mean, if you bought these pre-cut, this would probably be $5 worth of butterflies. Look at this one. This is gorgeous. This would make a lovely journal page to have this across the bottom. More butterflies. I'm not a pink lover, I'll tell you that. But if you put enough purple and blue, I'm in. Here's another one. And then I like these various size cut-aparts in here. Without change, there would be no butterflies, beauty, kindness, wisdom, grateful heart, spread your wings and fly. The 6x6 ones are a little large, like in the fall, so I like these. And this one, you could fussy cut these if you want, and they have foiling on them. Wonderful. Whew, look at that. All that foil. Here's a nice one. Again, a little tricky for me to use, maybe, but I will use it. More foliage you could cut out. Butterflies around the edge. Okay. Again, you could use it as a background layer. Maybe a rectangle of pink here or a rectangle of yellow. It would also be good for die cutting. This is gorgeous. It's gorgeous as it is, and it would also be a great page to fussy cut. These are a little bit larger, and I think they're worth it. Very cute. Oh, that one is gorgeous. All of that fall, like wine color and purple, and then all these cut-aparts. And this is a really good size cut-apart for me, the 3x4, because they're nice for cards, they're nice for pockets and tuck spots and journals. You can make tags out of them, and they have these nice tags already. Really cute. I just love this one. Blue and foil. Or maybe it's mint green. I don't know. I think it goes blue and mint. More foliage. Whoa. That is like a weird green and gold. Another lovely foliage page. A lot of pink for me. A lot of pink. So again, that one's called Butterfly Collage. I think I'll be so busy with the fall one. This one might not get used for a while, but I already have a million ideas for it. It would be really fun for Smash That paper pad, like where you attack the whole pad, because I think I like it enough to stay inspired 48 sheets worth. I don't know though, that's a lot. I asked my friend if she understood how much I could make with this, and she really didn't, but still, so sweet of her. Okay, this reminds me of that. This is called The Avenue, and it reminds me of the Jen Hadfield collection. You might know which one I'm talking about, but it looks like it. You Bring Me Joy. Look at that, with blue flowers. It does not get better. For me, that's like the best thing ever. And some foiling. I love that one. Yeah, it really reminds me of Jen Hadfield's. 6x6. Making Beautiful Memories. Yeah, I'm going to have a hard time using that. And it's super cute. But maybe there's a similar sentiment in the small cut-aparts. Here, you could cut these houses out. You could fussy cut houses and color them even if you wanted. Blue and gold polka dots. Love it. Whoa. That's kind of cool, though. A lot of green. Really, really like these tags. I saw these tags before and I was excited about them. Again, great for cards, great for tags in journal pockets. I would back them to make them a little more sturdy. Really neutral paper. I mean, you could use this for anything. A layer on a card, a journal page. It would make a cute envelope, anything. You know, maybe some of these bigger ones would make neat envelopes, not necessarily to mail with, or you could put a label, but for something in a Happy Mail package. This you could use for anything. Look at this. Blue floral with foiling in it. Love it. I don't know how well you're seeing the colors, but I'm in love. This has Make Yourself at Home, Stay a While, Come As You Are, Home Sweet Home, Heart and Home. I guess we should learn to appreciate home these days, huh? Really neutral wood grain, maybe even a little too light, but it would go with everything. This one I would probably use as a background, or it's a really understated journal page, and then you could jazz it up with pockets and tip outs and stuff. This one, anything, you know, real neutral. These are cute. You could fussy cut the actual butterflies if you wanted some of those, or you could circle punch around the wreath and use them to make embellishments, or you could just use the page. Great for layering. Whoa, that one's not really me. Oh, the cute little houses. A lot of plastic there. These are like trees without trunks. fun shapes. That is the Avenue. She picked these up fairly recently. My Michaels is usually not noteworthy. I usually don't find stuff and tell you guys about it. So that is my one Michaels haul video. You probably won't see a lot of those from me unless I'm shopping at her Michaels. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and doing well. Bye-bye.